Embracing the future, navigating the AI revolution and overcoming fear. In the heart of the digital age, a revolution is unfolding. The rise of artificial intelligence is reshaping our world. But with groundbreaking advancements come deep-seated fears. Many worry about the unforeseen consequences of AI's rapid development. From job displacement to ethical dilemmas, the fear of AI touches on core aspects of human life and work. Yet, it's crucial to remember that AI, at its essence, is a tool crafted by humans, for humans. By harnessing AI responsibly, we can address these fears and steer the technology towards enhancing our lives, not diminishing them. Education and transparent dialogue are key in demystifying AI, empowering society to navigate the revolution with knowledge and confidence. Embracing this transformative era requires courage, but together, we can shape a future where AI enhances human potential, not overshadows it.